Hello, my name is Dave Rowland. I'm the President and CEO of the Oklahoma Manufacturing Alliance. This is the first video of many we will be doing to share important business-related information with Oklahoma manufacturers during the current COVID-19 pandemic. Our number one focus is on helping manufacturers succeed. During this difficult time, we will be giving you all the information we can to help you and your company minimize the impact of this health and business situation. Today, I'd like to share 3 important pieces of COVID-19 related information for your business. First of all, medical support. We've been hearing in the news a lot of stories about the great need for medical supplies to fight the COVID-19 pandemic. There's been tremendous outreach already from Oklahoma companies wanting to help address this medical supply shortage. Our aerospace and aviation companies have been at the forefront of this response, and we're beginning to see Oklahoma manufacturers from every industry step up. While we are pleased with the initial response, more support is still needed from Oklahoma manufacturers to meet this desperate need. If your company would like to participate and provide supplies and resources to help our hospitals and healthcare organizations, it's easy to get involved. You can complete a brief proposal to the state of Oklahoma with the following information if you're interested in helping. In the proposal, please describe the product you wish to make. For example, if it's a ventilator, if it's a mask, if it's a face shield, etc. Please describe the product in detail so there is a general understanding of what product you will be providing. Second of all, and most importantly, is please identify and be honest about your capacity and ability to produce it. Remember, these products are either Class 1 or Class 2 medical grade capabilities, and we want to make sure that you have, as a manufacturer, the capabilities to provide consistent product that will do no harm to any patients or providers throughout this ordeal. So, thirdly, please provide the timeline it will take for you to make the product and what delivery dates you believe you can start providing products. And finally, any cost to a customer. Your proposal should be submitted to Kristen Kuhn at the Oklahoma Department of Emergency Management. Her email is crystal.kuhn@oem.ok.gov. Her email and others that I will be talking about shortly can be found on the Oklahoma Manufacturing Alliance's website under the COVID-19 banner. Also, if you're a company interested in donating personal protective equipment, you should contact Allison Whitsitt at the Oklahoma Department of Emergency Management, and her email is allison.whitsitt@oem.ok.gov. She can also provide a list of the most urgently needed bulk personal protection equipment that's needed in the field. The second point I wanted to talk about was, are you listed as an essential business? We've had many questions about this topic, and what we're understanding is many people don't understand if their business qualifies as an essential business during Oklahoma's response period. So the best source we found on defining an Oklahoma's essential business are the guidelines and information provided on the Oklahoma Department of Commerce's website. If you're not familiar with it, it's okcommerce.gov. Again, you can find this under our COVID-19 banner at our website. So if you find that your organization is not already deemed an essential business, you can request to be considered as one. What you need to do is you need to contact your local manufacturing extension agent or call the Manufacturing Alliance Central Office, and we can assist you in filling out a request to become an essential business. Or a template can be downloaded from the Manufacturing Alliance website. So just visit okalliance.com and go to our COVID-19 resource section to download the form. Now, the third and final point I wanted to discuss today was workforce displacement assistant. So the Oklahoma Manufacturing Alliance is making an effort to match displaced workers with companies that are now hiring through its Workforce Connection. This program is coordinated by the Manufacturing Alliance's Sharon Harrison. Here are the details of the program. If you are a displaced worker, please email Sharon Harrison at sharon.harrison@okalliance.com and send your relevant work experience and contact information directly to her. If you are a company or a manufacturer that is currently hiring, also please email Sharon Harrison and send the details about any open positions that are available and any other related criteria that you would like to be known about any opportunities you may have. So for more information on this job matching program, visit the Manufacturing Alliance's website, again at okalliance.com, and go to the Workforce section to find more about the Workforce Connection. In closing, I'd like to thank you for your time. That's the information I wanted to share with you today. We'll continue to provide important updates and news about programs that can benefit you and your company as we all deal with the COVID-19 pandemic. Thank you for everything you do for Oklahoma and our manufacturing industry. And remember that the Oklahoma Manufacturing Alliance, our staff, and our manufacturing extension agents throughout the state are here to talk with you on any time you have questions or need assistance. Stay safe, and we'll be talking again with you shortly.